works, burdensome life and self-discovery. Understanding Mirza Asadullah Khan Ghalib, his ingenious works, wit and life. Ghalib was a brilliant mind, having infallibility in his quill. His words penetrate into hearts and leave a long-lasting love behind. There are plenty genius minds in the world. Some choose science, others go for art, and rest of them find firmament in the field of business. There is bunch of great men born in the millenniums. They leave a permanent hallmark on the world. Mirza Asadullah Khan Ghalib is one of those people who was known to everyone, as he self-proclaims, होगा कोई ऐसा भी जो गालिब को न जाने, शायर तो वो अच्छा है पे बदनाम बहुत है. Is there anyone who knows not Ghalib? He is an excellent poet, but is extremely infamous. He was true to his claims. Once a man asked him his address, and he wanted to write him letters. Ghalib answered, "Write नाम गालिब पता दिल्ली, खुद ब खुद मेरे दरवाजे पर आ जाएगा." Write Ghalib and Delhi in address. Letter by itself will reach to my home. Ghalib lived a hard life despite being financial out and down. He never accepted defeat. He went through the scores of torments in the life, but death of his children and repudiation given by society circulated him and turned him into a drinker. This charismatic bard was witty, adept and wise. He never came to any settlements or any compromise, even in his desperate days. Personally, he was principled man and befriended with all known scholars like Momin Khan Momin and Mufti Sadruddin Azurda. They were also poets. Bahadur Shah Zafar II, last Mughal emperor, was also best friend of Mirza Ghalib, and Zafar says in honor of Mirza Ghalib, मिले हैं दो मुर्शिदों को कुदरत हक से दो तालिब, मोइनुद्दीन को खुसरो और सिराजुद्दीन को गालिब. In this way, Ghalib was critically selected and taunted for being a poet. He says, "सौ पुश्त से है पेशा आबा सिपाहगिरी, कुछ शायरी जरिया इज़्ज़त नहीं मुझे." 100 generations my ancestors have been serving in army, and poetry for me is not source of honor yet. His greatest quality was he wrote very precisely and symbolized historical tales in his poems. Ghalib resembles him to the various historic heroes and the tales makers, just like he compares himself to the Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. He says, निकलना खुल्द से आदम का सुनते आए हैं, लेकिन बहुत बेआबरू होकर तेरे कूचे से हम निकले. We have been listening to the famous tale of expel of Adam from the heaven, while my disgracefulness was more than him. I was greatly dishonored while leaving our home. Additionally, he had unsullied character and had unfettered faith in God. He traveled to Calcutta, staunch supporter of Indian rulers, and wanted foreign powers to be expelled. Though he wasn't in the ranks of freedom fighters, neither he financed any of them by the British, and they were writing in the praise of all these foreign powers. Ghalib denied them. He had to face extreme deprivation, but he did not reveal his hardships before anyone and showed hopefulness by stating, रात दिन गर्दिश में है साथ आसमां, हो रहेगा कुछ न कुछ, घबराएं क्या. 7 skies perform their duty timely in day and night as per their routine. Why should I worry? Soon something will be done. Similarly, he experienced a sorry and doleful condition. He expressed his hours of grief. गमे हस्ती का असद किससे हो जुज़ मर्ग इलाज, शम्मा हर रंग में जलती है सहर होने तक. There is no cure to his woes than that of death. Lamp burns in colors till the dawn occurs. Morning is the death to lamp, and my death is my cure. Ghalib suffered because he was not acknowledged in his days. People of Delhi accused him of infidelity and wanted him to be expelled from the city. He says, हे अब इस मामूर पे कहते गमे उल्फत असद, हमने माना कि दिल्ली में रहेंगे तो खाएंगे क्या. There are drought, misery and restlessness in this preposition. Except if I live in Delhi, what will I eat? He tells about his existence. People of Delhi hate him a lot. Similarly, he said to be Proudy considered none as Urdu poet except Khusro and Mir Taqi Mir. He praises Mir Taqi Mir. रेखता कि तुम ही उस्ताद नहीं हो गालिब, कहते हैं अगले ज़माने में कोई मीर भी था. You aren't only Master Ghalib, it is say there was a Mir before you. Ghalib invented novel form of writing, ghazals, short poems. He had mastery over Persian and Urdu languages. Ghalib used in different style. He symbolized his poems, added historic traces, compared griefs with a nature, celebrated his sorry state, expressed disappointments and showed great wish of death. Regardless of his qualitative versification, his Diwan poetry collection was rejected by a bunch of printing presses. They declared his poems useless, but they never knew he was about to change the fate of Urdu literature. Mirza Nausha realized his time has not come and it is century ahead. या रब वो समझे हैं ना समझेंगे मेरी बात, दे दिल उनको जो ना दे मुझको ज़ुबान हो. He prays that O God give these men sense and awareness as they could comprehend my words. यूँ तो दुनिया में सुखनवर हैं बहुत ही अच्छे, गालिब का है अंदाज़ बयां और. There are plenty of poets in the world. Ghalib has a different style of expression. ईमा मुझे रोके है जो खींचे है मुझे कुफ्र, काबा मेरे पीछे कलीसा मेरे आगे. Where would I go? Faith is dragging me back while infidelity is pulling me ahead. Kaaba is in my behind and the church is in the front. गो हाथ में जुम्बिश नहीं, आँखों में तो दम है, रहने दो सागर. Was twice produced before court. He was sued for not paying off debts. When judge asked him for the explanation, he said, मुफ्त की पीते थे मैं और कहते थे कि रंग लावेगी हमारी फाका मस्ती एक दिन. I used to drink with borrowed money and thought one day, by unsatisfied by the piece of advice he received by his friends. In prison he said, ये कहाँ की दोस्ती है, बने हैं दोस्त ना से, कोई चारा साज होता कोई गम गुसार होता. I don't understand this friendship. Everyone advises me but none brings me out of this circumstances. Lastly, Mirza Ghalib, including ghazals, Mirza Nausha transformed Urdu prose. His epistles are taught in universities. He negated long sentences, extravagant use of Urdu language. He remained stuck to the theme and spirit of the letters. His appealing style of writing has left a never-ending legacy. Ghalib is not a poet only, but he is a culture himself. I hope that you love this video and you will give positive comments. Thank you. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel as I could get encouraged and will make more videos for you.